Hey guys! When shopping for a new gaming desktop, finding the best unit that suits your needs will be challenging. All desktops can be called gaming PCs since all of them are capable of running certain games. However, demanding games require a powerful desktop. And that is why, in this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best gaming PCs available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And here are the top 5 best gaming PCs. The fifth product on our list is the CyberPower PC Gamer Xtreme GX IVR 8060A8. The CyberPower PC Gamer Xtreme is what we consider a mid-tier gaming setup, running on a 9th generation Intel i5-9400F processor, GTX 1660 graphics card, and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. This PC can run any demanding games you throw at it. It can even run Crysis 3 on ultra settings at 720p, with an average frame rate of 110 frames per second. On other games such as Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Overwatch, you can expect an average frame rate of 100, 90, and 135 frames per second respectively, on 1080p max settings. This gaming desktop so far has one of the cheapest and value-oriented setups on our list. To make your games more responsive, it comes with 240GB of SSD, big enough to store 2 to 3 high-end AAA games. It also comes with a free keyboard and mouse, as well as Windows 10 operating system. If you're into VR gaming, this unit can handle any VR games. It can support HTC Vive and Oculus Rift. If you're a streamer, the included Wi-Fi card will provide you with the stability you need in your streaming sessions. It supports the latest 802.11 AC or Wi-Fi 5, with data rates of up to 3.46 Gbps for faster data streaming and better network stability. The pros are, it is VR ready. It has pre-installed Windows 10, so you don't have to worry about acquiring a separate OS. It includes a 240GB SSD, and it runs on the latest hardware components on the market. However, the cons are, it runs on 9th gen Intel, which has already been replaced by 10th gen, and its power supply is questionable. But with the CyberPower PC Gamer Xtreme, you can have an excellent budget gaming PC right now and step into your game. Fourth on our list is the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. This particular setup from HP is quite similar to the CyberPower PC Gamer Xtreme, both running on the 9th gen i5-9400F and GTX 1660. The main difference between the two is the RAM. HP Pavilion is equipped with a heftier RAM of 16GB DDR4 with faster clocks. It also runs at 2666 MHz compared to the 2400 MHz of the previous system, giving it faster processing that results in better gaming performance. Although there aren't many titles that require to have 16GB of RAM on the market, the best use of having such is for streaming your gameplay online with the additional requirement of background app processing. This activity consumes more RAM, and if you don't have enough space, you will feel the system stuttering as you play. Grand Theft Auto 5, for example, can easily consume 6 to 10 GB of RAM the longer you play. The pros are, it has a larger and faster RAM capacity. It is VR ready. It has pre-installed Windows 10, and it runs on the latest hardware components. However, its cons are, it also runs on 9th gen Intel just like the CyberPower PC Gamer Xtreme, and it only has 400 watts of power supply for the whole system. Priced a bit cheaper than other budget gaming PCs, the HP Pavilion provides you with almost everything that you need from a desktop that doesn't hurt your pocket. The third product on our list is the ROG Strix GL10 CS. The ROG Strix pushes gaming PCs to greater heights. This unit offers one of the best computing performance on the market, along with a blazing fast PCIe SSD. Under the hood, It runs on the top-of-the-line 9th Gen Intel i7 9700K processor that's overclockable, a GTX 1660, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 2666 MHz, a whopping 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, 1TB 7200 RPM HDD, and a pre-installed Windows 10 64-bit operating system. All of that encased in an RGB case designed to appeal to gamers. Its 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD makes this desktop ultra-fast and responsive. It can start up from a cold boot in a matter of seconds and can launch your games that usually takes minutes with an HDD to mere seconds. The PCIe NVMe SSD is capable of transferring data up to 3 GB per second. And that's right, gigabyte and not gigabit. This drastically lowers loading times and improves the responsiveness of the computer. In terms of performance, the ROG Strix dominates the previous desktops that we mentioned. In games like Apex Legends, you can get an average of 100 frames per second on a 1080p Ultra setting. That's 10% better in performance and higher in frame rate. The pros are, it uses PCIe NVMe SSD. It has a bigger and faster RAM than other gaming PCs. It has pre-installed Windows 10. Its case supports Asus Aura Sync RGB. And it is equipped with a 7.1 virtual surround sound front panel. However, it has no free peripherals such as a keyboard or mouse. If you want a future-proof PC that can handle any game you throw at it and offers a good amount of upgrade in the future, then the ROG Strix GL10 CS is one monster unit. Second on our list is the Skytech Legacy. The Skytech Legacy Gaming PC is a solid gaming unit on the market. This setup is what we consider mid-tier of high-end. You'll have a gaming PC that's equipped with powerful components that can play any games in the world and chew it like it's nothing. It comes with the latest and top-of-the-line hardware components that put the previous build on our list to shame. Under the hood, it runs on 3rd Gen Ryzen 7 3700X, which is overclockable for more performance. RTX 2070 8GB, 500GB of SSD, 16GB DDR4 3000 MHz, and all-in-one cooling to keep your processor running at optimal performance no matter what. And all of that inside a solid InWin 905 gaming case. In terms of gaming performance, this gaming desktop gives you an average frame rate of 116, 236, and 95 for games Apex Legends, Fortnite, and Modern Warfare respectively. That's almost 40% of performance increase compared to our number 5 gaming PC. Furthermore, this is the first gaming desktop on our list that's capable of supporting RTX technology. If you're new to RTX, it is a ray tracing technology that simulates the physical behavior of light to bring real-time, cinematic quality rendering to the most visually intense games. The pros are, all of its hardware components are up to date. It has blazing fast storage and RAM. It supports RTX technology. It has an all-in-one liquid cooler included. And it comes with an 80 Plus Gold 800 watt power supply. However, this PC is only limited to games that support RTX. If you're looking for a gaming PC that uses the latest AMD processor, supports RTX technology, and sprinkled with everything nice, then the Skytech Legacy is one of the best builds you'll find on the market. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the number 1 gaming PC on our list is the Skytech Prison. Skytech Prison is the best gaming PC setup on the market. There are no words to explain how powerful and monstrous this gaming PC is. Under the hood, it uses the most powerful processor of AMD, which is the Ryzen 9 3900X, a GeForce RTX 2080, which is top-of-the-line NVIDIA graphics card, 32GB of DDR4 RAM, running at a whopping 3600 MHz, 1TB of Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe SSD with speeds of up to 3.5 GB per second, a 2TB hard disk drive for file storage, and an ASRock X570 Taichi motherboard with 14 power phase design. It also has a solid 80 plus gold 750 watts power supply and an all-in-one 360mm liquid cooler to keep your processor at its best peak performance without heat issues, and a stunning case from Lian Li, which is the PC011. In terms of performance, we're lost for words. Apex Legends alone can give you an average frame rate of 136 frames per second on 1080p high settings, a whopping 277 frames per second for Fortnite, and around 112 frames per second average for Modern Warfare. The pros are, it has the best hardware components on the market. It comes with Thunderbolt 3 with AIC headers. It has pre-installed Windows 10 Pro 64-bit as well as 1TB of Samsung branded NVMe SSD, and a 14 power phase design motherboard for cleaner and more efficient supply distribution. It also uses the latest Wi-Fi 6. However, it is expensive as compared to other gaming PCs listed. But if you want a gaming PC that can empower you, outrun the competition, and wipe the floor clean, the Skytech Prison is the one for you. Owning this unit will cause Uncle Ben to tell you, great power comes with great responsibility. And that's it for our top 5 best gaming PCs. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the gaming PCs. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.